Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to get on here and basically just clean this mess that I have. Let me show you guys. This is what I'm dealing with right now. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I moved. So I have such a disaster. I have in this desk, and then I also have this little dresser. Is like a fabric dresser. I bought this off of, I believe it was Wayfair. I thought it was gonna be taller, like it was gonna be higher, but it's very small. This is where I'm gonna be putting all my makeup from now. I haven't bought like any of the dividers or organizers, which is fine for now because I have a mess. Like these are like head ass clothes, and literally like this is what I'm dealing with. I haven't even had a chance to like clean everything. I have these like beauty blenders that are basically ruined. I'm gonna get rid of all this. Like, come on, Fanny, you need new ones. So let me start off by trashing like Q-tips. I also need a new Chrome Master Maybelline. Like this is clearly pretty old. I'll probably stop by tomorrow. This is one of my favorite highlights, but it's pretty ruined, so I'm gonna toss this one too. Okay, in this is like a Mary Kay little container, which I keep my RCMA powder, which I use daily. If you guys have not tried this powder, it's one of my favorites, and it's not expensive. So what I do is I just transfer some of this powder over, just like this. Just because I obviously can't grab something with this. Oh, I honestly don't even know where to start. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hill. I love this. I got this, I believe it was the Macy's makeup section. I think it was Macy's. And I just love how it came in this little box. This is my favorite one. If you guys know, I love Yvette XO. She did a collab with Morphe, and this was like some of the shades she loves. Look how pretty these shades are. So I'll just keep it in here too. Guys, just look at this disaster. Like, so nasty. I tried these. These are so amazing. I swear I've had these for years. Look at that. I really don't use this one. I don't use this one, but I'll give this one. This is my favorite moisturizer from Neutrogena. Because of like COVID, we have to be wearing masks, and this really helped me with my acne. I do get acne like once in a while, like not all the time, but once in a while. And with this COVID and wearing masks, it really gave me a lot of acne. So I literally had to get something for that. This is like my everyday favorite mascara to use, but it's super dry, so I'm gonna toss this one. I have another new one over here. I use that daily. swatch these. See which ones I'm gonna keep. Where this is from. I'm gonna toss it. Guys, this is my favorite mascara. I'm gonna toss this one because this was just like a sample that I got. But this is one of my favorite mascaras. It's from Estee Lauder and it's a Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. If you guys haven't tried it, make sure to try this mascara. It's so good. By the way, I'll be filming like getting my tree set up next weekend just because I haven't had a chance to do that. So for now, I'm gonna put all my makeup in this little container that I have. And then once I buy like the things that I need for this is clearly old trash. Once I buy like some of the compartments to divide into like in that little dresser that I bought, that I told you guys I bought, then I will show you guys how it turns out. But for now, this is so old too. This one from NYX is so good. Ash. When I tell you that moving, and you know what? I didn't have a lot of things just because I literally just lived with my parents and I don't have a lot of junk, but once you start moving out, like you're like, what the hell? Where did I even keep this? Like, I felt like I didn't have a lot of things, but then once I was like gathering all my things, I was like, okay, like where did this all come from? Like you truly don't know until you're moving out. You have a lot of junk, and you're like, where did this come from? Like, where in the world did that come from? By the way, are you guys done Christmas shopping? Are you guys still gonna do Christmas shopping? I still have to do some more shopping. I'm almost done, but not completely. Favorite everyday foundation, drugstore foundation. And honestly, applies so good. And if you don't want like full coverage, I recommend this foundation. And it has sun protection, so I love that. I just also bought this from Milani. I bought it at Walmart because I needed a new blush. I have like a really old one that I need to get rid of. I'm gonna I've been using this CoverGirl one. It's not old. I literally just bought it not too long ago, but I wanted something that had more shades than just one, so I love this one. Do you guys keep your old makeup or do you guys give it away? I want to know what you guys do with your makeup. Like, do you guys like to keep it? Do you give it away? Do you like how often do you throw away your makeup, like old makeup? Because apparently I've been keeping them for a long time. And if you guys want me to try new makeup products or have any suggestions for trying new makeup products, comment down below. I want to try new makeup. This is also one of my favorite base mascaras, and it really enhances it. I need a new one, but this is from Lancome. I need to buy this. If you guys have tried this, please comment down below. I want to know if you guys like it as much as I do. But it's so good. I love it. And then this is another of my favorite mascaras. This is a Big Ego by Tarte. I also need a new one. And I love how the brush is one of those thick bristle brushes. I love that one. And then I always, every time I do my eyebrows, I apply this clear transparent gel just to kind of keep them in place. And this is from Maybelline. And I bought this at Walmart. This concealer is so good, the NARS concealer. Oh my gosh, it's like full coverage. You can literally just use it by itself. Like, you don't need like foundation and you'll be good. And then of course my favorite eyeliners by NYX. This is the vinyl one, but then I love the matte one. The matte one. I don't even know where it's at. And my spoon, if you guys haven't seen this video of how I curl my eyelashes using a spoon, make sure to go. I'll link it down below so you guys can go watch it. And then I bought this at the 99-cent store. Whenever I need to mix my foundations, I just apply them here. I just put a little bit of each here and then I mix them up. This is so good. It was $1.58, so if you need something like this, go to the dollar store, to your local dollar store. Maybe they have some. Maybe on the weekend I'll just buy separate containers so I can do like my foundations, concealers, bronzers, and my blushes, and I'll just try to separate everything, but right now I don't have time for that. So what else? Well, I have this little basket over here. This is where I will keep like my masks, like my everyday things I use for my face. My face mask. I'll keep all this out here. Like I'm missing this. Just so, because this is what I use every day at night. And every morning. I'm gonna take all this. And I need a new facial toner. And I like to buy the unscented one just because my skin is very sensitive. So I like to get like non-fragrance. So for now, again, I'm just gonna throw everything in here. And then eventually I'll just fix it up. So for now, I literally just threw everything on here. So I left my perfumes up there, my brushes, which I still need to wash, my cotton pads up here. Then I just left these two of my favorite creams. Look, this is the one that I love. The Bum Bum cream, smell it. Anyway, so I just left this up here. And then for now, I just put this in here. Looks much better. I don't have anything here. And then down here are all my palettes. And then I left my Wave Artist crimper in here. Some of my little head ties and headbands, I left them here. Some miscellaneous things. And then my lipsticks up here, which I got rid of a lot. And then my tweezers, my nail clippers, all of this, I left them out here. So yeah, this basically, look how clean it looks. I'm so happy because it was a disaster in here. So what I left on here is my perfumes, just because I love how it looks displayed like this. I also left my mirror, and then I also left my nightly and morning moisturizers and just face products that I use daily. And then I also left these masks there. And then nothing else here besides this little drawer that it has. I just left my makeup that I use daily. So I literally just use concealer, mascara, my eyebrow pencil, and then my setting powder. I have my sponges, the sponge that I apply my concealer and my setting powder to the side just because I'm going to wash it. But yeah, guys, so this is basically it for now. Again, like, we literally just moved, so I haven't set up anything else. But It looks much better than it looked before. It looks super cluttered. But yeah, that's like basically it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little last minute video that I decided to film. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. See you all on my next video. Bye.